Jim.
Heather.
Travis.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Elizabeth Bonaminio, and I'd like to thank each and every one of you for being here tonight on this special occasion. Tonight, we are celebrating our family and our friends, so in honor of these special people, I'd like to make a toast. First, I'd like to thank the ones who've been there for me through thick and thin. Thank you for your constant love, support, and kindness. To my parents and greatest influences, thank you for showing me what it means to put others before yourself. You've picked me up when I've fallen, made me smile on the darkest of days, and have been a shoulder for me to cry on. I could not have made it this far without you. To my dear friends who stuck with me since kindergarten, I wish you nothing but success and happiness as we continue on this journey that we call life. May you prosper through every challenge that comes your way and always keep moving forward. Now, if you will raise your glass and join me in toasting family and friends. Here's to you all. I wish each and every one of you a lifetime of plentiful blessings.